Hello and welcome. I am going to show you how to do a rotation stretch. I was just taught how to do this by my friend Sarah Adams Pine, who I do my podcast with, The Bodywork Nest. If you're interested, we're on Spotify. Okay. All right. So we're going to do a twist to help with the neck muscles, and it does involve the arms. If you have mobility restrictions in your arms, of course, please work within the bounds of your range of motion, and you can do this without your arms, okay? All right, we're gonna come up. I'm using my right hand. We're going to the back of the left, okay? And we're gonna inhale and exhale, and then on the next inhale, we're going to rotate toward the left, and our right hand is simply supporting the head. It's not necessarily twisting it. Okay, and then if you want to add in addition, you can bring your left arm behind your back. And then inhale back to your starting position. Okay, I know this is backwards from the way a lot of us, like I know me, I'm always taught to do the movement on the exhale, but this one's done with the inhale. Okay, and we're going to repeat that at least 4 times. All right, then we're going to do the other side. So my left hand over right behind my right ear. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and twist and come in. Remember, the hands are just there to help stabilize the head. And you're doing the twist on the inhale. And then untwist on the inhale. Okay? All right, let me know what you think. I hope you find it helpful. My body really likes this, so sharing with you. Thank you so much for joining me.